Can you imagine a world where the roar of jet engines is replaced by the hum of electric motors? Welcome to the future of aviation, a world on the brink of an unprecedented revolution. The aviation industry, as we know it, is poised to undergo a transformative evolution. The catalyst for this change? Electric airplanes. Imagine planes soaring through the sky, propelled not by fossil fuels but by clean, renewable energy. Yes, it's a reality that's closer than you might think. Today, the aviation industry stands at a crossroads, with one path leading to the continuation of the status quo, and the other leading to a future defined by sustainable, environmentally friendly technologies. The current state of the industry is one of anticipation and excitement, as the promise of electric aviation sparks interest and investment worldwide. Leading the charge in this electrifying revolution are key companies committed to redefining air travel. These trailblazers are not just reimagining what it means to fly, but they're also re-engineering the mechanics of flight itself. They're developing cutting-edge technologies, designing aircraft powered by electric motors that promise to be quieter, cleaner, and more efficient than their fuel-guzzling predecessors. But this isn't just about making planes that are better for the environment, it's about fundamentally changing how we think about air travel. It's about creating a future where the convenience of flight doesn't come at the cost of our planet. Just imagine for a moment, a world where the skies are filled with electric planes. The roar of jet engines, a sound so synonymous with air travel, replaced by the gentle hum of electric motors. It's a future that feels like science fiction, but with each passing day, it becomes more and more a reality. The future of aviation is electric. It's a world where technology and sustainability merge, where innovation takes flight, and where the possibilities are as limitless as the skies themselves. The skies of tomorrow may be quieter, cleaner, and more efficient than we ever imagined. When it comes to speed and efficiency, how do traditional airplanes stack up against their electric counterparts? This question often sparks a healthy debate among aviation enthusiasts and industry experts alike. Traditional airplanes powered by jet fuel have dominated the skies for over a century. They offer impressive speed, with commercial jets cruising at around 550 miles per hour and military jets capable of breaking the sound barrier. These airplanes can fly for thousands of miles without refueling, making them ideal for long-haul flights. However, the efficiency of traditional airplanes is a point of contention. Jet fuel is expensive and contributes significantly to the operating costs of airlines. Furthermore, the burning of jet fuel releases carbon emissions, which contribute to climate change. Enter electric airplanes. These eco-friendly machines are powered by batteries or fuel cells, and they produce zero emissions. They're incredibly efficient, with lower operating costs compared to traditional airplanes. This is due to the fact that electricity is cheaper than jet fuel, and electric motors require less maintenance than combustion engines. But it's not all smooth sailing for electric airplanes. Currently, their speed and range are limited. Most can only reach speeds of around 120 miles per hour, and their range is typically limited to a few hundred miles. This makes them unsuitable for long-haul flights, at least for now. Electric airplanes also face the challenge of battery weight. Batteries are heavy, and in aviation, every ounce counts. The weight of the batteries reduces the payload capacity of the airplane, which is a significant disadvantage. Despite these limitations, the future of electric airplanes looks promising. Advances in battery technology and energy efficiency could soon see electric airplanes that match or even surpass the speed and range of their fuel-guzzling counterparts. Imagine a future where we can travel across the globe in electric airplanes, reducing our carbon footprint and saving money on travel costs. As technology advances, we might soon see electric airplanes that match or even surpass the speed and range of their fuel-guzzling counterparts. What does the rise of electric airplanes mean for our planet? It's a question that's been buzzing around the aviation industry. Traditional airplanes, while marvels of human engineering, are major contributors to global carbon emissions. They burn enormous amounts of fossil fuels, not only during flight but also during taxiing and takeoff. Now let's turn our attention to electric airplanes. These innovative machines operate on electric propulsion, swapping out fossil fuels for electricity. This shift means that electric airplanes produce zero exhaust emissions. That's right, zero. Imagine a world where the aviation industry doesn't contribute to the greenhouse effect. But there's more to it. Electric airplanes are not only cleaner but also quieter. The reduction in noise pollution is a significant benefit for those living near airports or under flight paths. However, it's essential to consider that the electricity used to power these planes must come from renewable sources to truly make a difference. If the electric grid is still heavily reliant on coal or natural gas, then the benefits of electric aviation could be offset. Despite these challenges, the potential for carbon emission reduction is immense. If we can harness renewable energy effectively, electric airplanes could revolutionize the aviation industry. They could significantly reduce our carbon footprint and help mitigate the effects of climate change. In the fight against climate change, electric airplanes could be a game changer. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? Well, let's recap. We've journeyed through the future of aviation where electric airplanes are set to take center stage. They're not just a concept or a dream anymore, but a reality that's beginning to shape the way we travel. The potential of these electric aircraft is immense, promising a future of quieter, cleaner, and more efficient flights. We've compared their speed and efficiency to that of traditional airplanes. Although we found that electric airplanes currently might not match the speed of their fuel-guzzling counterparts, they certainly make up for it with their efficiency. They require less maintenance, they're cheaper to run, and they have the potential to drastically reduce travel costs, making flying more accessible for everyone. But it's not just about speed and efficiency, it's also about the environmental impact. Traditional airplanes contribute significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. Electric airplanes, on the other hand, offer a more sustainable alternative, with zero emissions during flight. This could be a game changer in our fight against climate change. So, where does this leave us? As we've seen, electric airplanes are not just a fascinating concept, they're a promising reality. They have the potential to transform our skies, making them quieter, cleaner, and more accessible. As we look to the future, it's clear that electric airplanes have the potential to revolutionize the aviation industry. It's an exciting time to be an aviation enthusiast.